Alright, y'all. It's Bob the Builder time. We're starting off the morning by going to get an ultrasound. No, I'm not pregnant. 2 days ago, I got back from spending a full week in San Francisco with my boyfriend. He came up there, met my family in Mill Valley, and it was just the best trip ever. I think by the time that this video comes out, y'all are gonna see that video. It was perfect. We made so many memories that I'm never gonna forget. So then yesterday was my first full day back, and I started the morning off by having a doctor's appointment. This is the first time that I'm seeing a doctor after moving to Boise. I grew up in Texas, so the doctor that I went to, I've seen since I was like an itty bitty girl. My first doctor's visit at St. Luke's in Boise. I got my blood drawn. I'm waiting on my test results, and it's kind of just like a checkup, honestly. But today I have another appointment at 8:30 in the morning, getting an ultrasound to check if I have fibroids in my uterus. I know, okay, that kind of sounds scary, and I'm not gonna lie, I am a little bit scared. Apparently it's common for women to have this. I'm praying that there's nothing wrong with my body and everything will be okay, but it doesn't hurt to check and just make sure. So that's what's going on this morning. Just parked in the parking garage, and I brought my moral philosophy book because I figured if I'm waiting for my appointment, I might as well be productive and get some summer school done. And that is going in the tote bag. Y'all, I have been obsessed with Ty Verdes lately. His song, She Loved Me, it's so good. It's so freaking good. Wallet, pen for taking notes. Let's roll. I booked a Pilates class at, I think, 1 o'clock today. And it's been a while since I've gone, so I feel like I'm gonna be extra sore when I end up going. Okay, I just got out of my doctor's appointment, and all I gotta say is thank the Lord for surgical lube, because that thing was long. Also, I thought they were gonna use the tool that like you use when you're pregnant and you scan it on your belly. No, it went inside, down there. Now we pray, all good things. It feels absolutely amazing. I've got my door open right now, windows out. Summer is just one of the best times ever. I'm a fall girly at heart. That is number one. Summer is a close second. I'm currently doing some moral philosophy homework right now. Before I started doing this, I was listening to a podcast on my phone. I personally love learning about business, and in particular, hearing how CEOs come onto these podcasts and just give their own advice. That's what I like to do whenever I'm doing my makeup. Now that all the construction is done on the second floor and then the floor above, I can finally put all of my patio chair back outside. So we're gonna do that right now. All right, party people, it is Pilates o'clock. You know the drill. Ty Verdes! I feel like for me, I said, hey, it's a good day to be anybody if your name is me. She told me, I love her and she loves me. I just got here here to Club Pilates and I'm gonna go in early and get a reformer. Got my grippy socks. First time that I ever took a Pilates class, I was reminded what grippy socks were. And the last time that I'd ever heard or worn grippy socks was whenever I was a trampoline park enthusiast. And I would go all the time to this place called Altitude in Austin, Texas. So yeah, wearing grippy socks is like actually really fun and kind of underrated. Oh my gosh, Pilates just kicked my butt. I am sweaty. Plus it's like really hot outside. I think it's 90 right now. Let's go home and make a lemon arugula chicken salad.
Hi, Matcha. Hi, bud. Big stretch.
He always does this every time he gets out of the crate.
Hi, buddy. Hi.
My sister and I have the Philips Sonicare toothbrush, but low-key buying the head replacements is really expensive. So we found a dupe on Amazon. It fits the actual Philips Sonicare toothbrush. It's just not the name brand. I'm honestly shocked by how quickly that package arrived at my house because I ordered that like last night. Let's get to making some lunch right now. I told y'all I was gonna make my lemon arugula chicken salad. So I've got my lemon vinaigrette dressing right here. My salad mix, some fresh lemon, some Parmesan cheese, my grilled chicken. We're just gonna put this all together. Last thing I like to do is add some bee pollen on top. Just sprinkling that on. So gorgeous outside today. Also, I just love seeing everybody out, like all the families. It's adorable. I just finished editing my San Francisco vlog. It is so freaking cute, so I'm just reviewing it one last time before it goes live soon. I made some meal prep yesterday, so I just ate that for dinner, and I'm craving a soda, so we're having Olipop strawberry vanilla. If y'all have never tried Olipop, you need to go to your local grocery store, pick out either this flavor or the root beer one. Those are so good. And your whole world is going to be changed. It's that good. Guess who finally reached the end of their journal? This is the first time that I've ever completed a journal before. I don't know if I should be proud of that. In my 20 years of life, I've never finished a journal, but you know what? I am proud. This sucker dates back to 2021. I'm pretty sure. We've had it for a while. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna get a new Leuchtturm journal. Oh, look at how cute Mach is. He's passed out. We went on such a long walk. He stopped halfway and laid on the ground, and so I had to carry him the rest of the way.
He's just a little baby.
On my flight to San Francisco, I watched the new Hunger Games. I was on semester at sea whenever that one came out, so I couldn't go to the theaters and watch it. There was one country that I was in when it came out, and I'm pretty sure it was like banned in that one. So I never got around to watching it, but I had always wanted to. I used to have the biggest obsession with the Hunger Games when I was younger. My thoughts on the new one was that it was amazing. The casting couldn't have been better. The ending was really sad though. Like, I don't think I prepared myself for that. It wasn't what I was thinking, but it makes sense because President Snow is so cold-hearted in the original movies. What's another movie I watched? Oh, I watched The Boys in the Boat, and that one is about the rowing team that won the Olympics from the US. Wow. 10 out of 10. The casting, also phenomenal. I don't know if this is just me, but I feel like not only with movies, but also music nowadays, it's just not what it was. And I feel like the quality has gone down, even though the budget into movies is so much bigger than it ever was. But it's just weird. Like, usually casting is off or the plot is just so predictable. But those two movies, I would definitely recommend seeing. However, if you have seen the movie, oh my gosh, what's it called? It just came out. Unsung Hero. If you have seen that movie, let me know what you think of it, because I think it's still in theaters, and if it is, I'm gonna go this week. My family saw it and they told me that I need to see it. I'm a sucker for a good movie, what can I say? I think I want to put the netting on the outside of my balcony right now, so we're gonna do that. I ordered this a little bit ago, and I'm praying that it's gonna fit the whole entire balcony. This is a fence privacy screen. Okay. got a lot of length to her, but I definitely am gonna need to get another one. I got some zip ties. That should be enough zip ties. If not, we'll always get more. Matcha, you better be careful. All right, y'all. Bob the Builder time. We're building the lounge chairs today. I can't tell you how long this box has been sitting here. Also, by the way, I got these from Wayfair. Woohoo! Holy mackerel. So excited. Oh my gosh. So this comes in a set of 2. And I feel like this, oh gosh. I feel like this should be fairly easy. Because look, it already has this thing. So I don't even need to do anything. Probably should read the instructions. Oh, is that seriously it? I think I got it. I think I understand. These are the little stools of the legs. These little interesting shape goes in here. Other one goes in there. Alrighty, fans going on, mama's hot. What are the next directions? Oh, we just add that, beautiful.
Overwhelmed by the unknown, was the world made for my soul? Teenage therapy, just a cup is all I need. I can close my eyes and breathe. A song in good conversations tastes just like medication to all of the parts